In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Flowers. Start by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Flowers Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then choose Consent. And to manage this wallpaper however you want to, use this gear at the top left corner. Now check out all of those options and apply the best ones for you. You can check out preview at the top. Once you're done, click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Then choose Set As Live Wallpaper. Hit Yes. Tap on Set Wallpaper and decide where by tapping on one of those options: Home Screen, Lock Screen, or both. When you're finished, just go back. You can always change your wallpaper however you want to by going back to the same app and applying the new one again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!